I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a device from PhonePe, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open PhonePe app. Launch the PhonePe app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon in the top left corner to access the settings. This is where you can manage your account and devices. Step 3. Select My Devices. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled My Devices or something similar. This section lists all devices linked to your account. Step 4. Choose the device to remove. Find the device you want to remove from the list. Tap on it to see more options, including the option to remove it. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the device, you will be prompted to confirm the removal. Make sure to read any warnings about losing access to certain features before confirming. If you accidentally remove the wrong device, you may need to log back in on that device to regain access. I hope this guide helps you easily manage your devices on PhonePe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.